height.
I like that.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
It is pretty cool. So you got your galley, got your canvas covering, you got your wind straps, you got your height, and it's going to run your water off of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got tubs on the bottom, tons of storage.
A refrigerator there. My fancy lock, which is the nail. You know,
Just hidden in there.
Not big, but
yeah. Beats a
if
cooler.
you don't have if you don't keep your refreshments in there, you don't need that much room.
That's right. Yep. Keep your cold snacks somewhere else and just have your food in there.
It's supposed to be used for something else. And if your beer's a little warm, it's still drinkable. If your mayonnaise is a little warm,
excellent point. It looks like you got an AC unit tucked back in here.
Yep.
So you're not going without AC. Nice.
The only problem with that is I have to have the galley open.
Got to keep it vented. Mm-hmm.
Which, in some instances where there's a lot of raccoons around you.
Yes.
And this isn't exactly raccoon proof.
No. Slightly resistant. So started as
Keep it out of sight.
So started as a utility trailer, and you just went crazy with it.
Trailer from Tractor Supply.
Oh wow, okay.
Home Depot sells the same trailer, but that had 12-inch tires.
Okay.
The Tractor Supply has 13-inch.
Got.
At that time, anyway.
And you needed that since you'd made a drop floor on it.
Which most of the ladies can stand in.
That's unbelievable.
Because they're just a couple inches shorter.
You got your pop-outs, which are made out of tubs?
Plastic tubs.
All this is the poor man's fiberglass, right?
Yep.
So you got canvas over foam insulation. Oh, there it is, right there. That's it.
Yep.
Nice. Nice visual.
I got canvas from what is it? Big Duck Canvas.
Okay.
Sankets, which by judging the color, I think it was a mistint of Carhartt fabric for their clothes, because it's like Carhartt brown.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is a good heavy canvas.
Oh, absolutely.
It was Sankett, so it must have been a mistint or something.
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt. I didn't see any runs in it or anything.
No.
While your drop cloths are pretty inferior.
Yeah, they're thin.
Compared to this.
Got solar on the roof.
3 solar panels, which is 450 watts of solar. And I have a 300 amp lithium battery for
nice
storage, which I just replaced because I wanted one with low temperature disconnect, which my earlier one didn't have.
Okay.
I mean, they're advancing with the battery technology, and
it's coming on real quick, the advances.
And
this is genius. Let's take a look inside.
the thing is, it's so simple. I pull it out, the mattress sits against it, holds it out when it's out, and when I'm ready to go, I shove it in, and
that's it.
Over that.
That's it, and it just holds itself going down the road. No issues. All the way from Minnesota. I mean, no issues. That is amazing.
I mean, if you really go on rough roads, it might come loose.
You haven't had an issue, though. How long have you had this?
7 years.
7 years?
And it's outside every day. It does not get shedded.
That is one tough trailer.
And this is a tonneau cover from a pickup.
Okay. That makes sense.
An awning from Napa. They had them for like $100, so they could go
nice, nice.
And if I want to, I can hang a curtain for a shower.
I didn't see that coming. Kenneth, you're a mad scientist. This is something else.
And this is glued on.
There's no wood or anything inside this, is there?
At one point, it's glued on here.
Gosh. It holds. I like the screen door.
And this is a cut down full view storm door.
Storm door. Yep.
I put in a piece of plexiglass and figured out how to do a vent. That took me a while. My doggy kind of destroyed it, so I gotta refix it. You know, doggies, they kind of want to get out sometimes.
Yeah.
And screens aren't the best thing to hold a doggy in. And
so
on the one side I got the heater, then the bathroom with a urine diverter, so the urine goes into a bottle. And being a little bit of a clown, I use the orange Gatorade bottle.
Yeah.
You know, don't drink the orange
Don't drink
Gatorade.
the orange. Got a fan in there.
Yeah.
This is just the great part. He's sleeping sideways, so he's got all that room. You can have two people sleeping in here. You can darn near stand up in it. It's unbelievable.
Would you like to step in? Show
a visual.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Look at this.
short enough there.
Oh,
Whoa, look at that.
Miss
You got a
Dee
couple
approved.
inches to spare.
Yes, I do.
And you're outside the trailer and it's like
goodness.
Hey, Miss Dee likes this one.
So this is, the whole height of the trailer is me, but with the drop floor,
Yeah.
she can
And
stand
we're
up in it.
roughly the same height.
Yeah. And he's just right there.
Yeah, he's got to bend his head a little bit, but for me,
But if
short people.
I
Yeah.
need to change clothes, I can change them without doing the split the pants on of a regular teardrop, or hang your legs outside and try to be modest while doing it. And I got privacy curtains.
Privacy curtains, tons of storage.
Six of these big storage tubs.
Tons of storage.
Underneath. Look at, I don't even have it full.
No. This is awesome. Well, you put a heck of a lot of thought into it. You put a lot of quality into it for it to last this long.
And it just works for me.
That's all it has to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And a lot of manufacturers, I'm surprised they haven't tried some of these tricks, but it's pretty amazing.
And you like it too. You like laying on top of me. I put a bed there just for you, but you gotta lay on top of me.
Big heater. Well, thank you for showing it. I really do appreciate it.
I thought you'd like a better, the two last one that was pretty quick.
And also, thanks for camping with us.
Yeah, I think.
Solid.
It's solid as a rock. And I really like this. By me. Absolutely.
And you know, it's not gonna rot because there's no wood.
There's nothing to rot away. No. And if you ever have any issue, it's easy to fix. Patch it and keep going.
And I used mesh floor trailer.
Okay, yeah, so there's nothing trapping on the bottom.
And the only wood floor is in the drop floor.
Okay.
The rest of it I left mesh floor.
Yeah.
And then had some old political signs.
Yeah.
I helped with a political office, and after the election, they're pretty much giveaway, especially for the losers. So I put that over the mesh floor.
Nice.
Otherwise, the light shines through.